How to change the language of the IRCTC official website from English to Hindi or vice versa. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this simple and easy tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can change the language of your IRCTC official website. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. So as here you can see, I have opened Google Chrome, and once you are inside the Google Chrome, you need to simply search for IRCTC. So once you will search for IRCTC, you will be landed onto this website, that is irctc.co.in. So make sure you land onto the same particular domain, that is irctc.co.in, as this is the official IRCTC website. So once you land here, you need to click onto this OK button in order to dismiss this warning. And then once you are inside the warning, as here you can see currently this language is stated by this particular text right here. So currently it is set to Hindi. So this is currently set to English. So if I want to convert into or change it into Hindi, I can simply click onto this Hindi button, and now you can see that all the menu and other icons have been successfully converted to Hindi. Vice versa, if this is currently in Hindi, then English will written over here. So if you'll click onto this English button, then the website will appear normally in English. So that's how easily you can switch the language between Hindi and English for using the official IRCTC website. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.